Okay, this is the geometry. We are going over the notebook, what's going to be graded. Make sure your pages are in order and go through and actually make sure everything is where it's supposed to be. Okay, so we're starting this grade, this notebook check, by not touching our phone every single time. So we're going to make sure that we have this, all right? So, like I said, 40 through 61, so I'm going to start it, okay, all the way over here on 40. So, front side, no back side. Page 41. We have this, okay? I have the next page. Okay, this is one of those activities that we did in class. Right here. And then the back side was the lesson summary. There's 41. 42. It's lesson cool down. 43. Right here. That's where I went through and do this. Right here. This is the back side still. This is all over on page 40, 43 still. So it's all taped together. Have all that. And then our summary. So like I said, if you're trying to copy this stuff down, just pause the video. Lesson 3 cool down. This is going to be 44.
Why is it not filled out?
Because I didn't do the cool downs. You guys have to do the cool downs. That's the part that goes along with the notes that you're supposed to work on that. Okay? It should be about like 5 minutes worth of work. But if it's been, 3 weeks since you actually did this, you might have forgot what it was actually happening. Okay? So let's take a look on 45. Here's 45. Okay. Card A, rotations. Okay, backside there.
It's not filled out.
Huh?
It's not filled out.
It's not filled out? Yeah, that side's not. That was, we were doing a card thing. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Now we were talking about it, we were going over it, and the only thing that we added was this part right here in the lesson summary. How to actually say the triangles are going to be congruent. Okay, that's more of the summary there. Okay, all this was 45. .46. I did a little bit for you on 46.
We're supposed to do that one too.
Yes. This is your practice. You were supposed to do this. Okay, there's no backside to it either. It's just this. You guys have to find those values. 47. Now, what is a triangle? Trying to classify it by its side lengths or its angles. Then we flip that one. Then we have this right here where we're actually identified the different triangles, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then underneath, we actually had some notes right here on how to classify. Because if it's a right triangle, my pen was dying on me there. Right triangle, it equals. If it doesn't equal, but the AB of this right here is less than, it was obtuse. If it's greater than, it's acute. So, right there, that one's 47. That's all your notes. Okay, 48. This is more practice right here. 48 here, more practice postulates. It does have a backside that you need to work on too. Okay, all this actually comes from, a lot of stuff that we did right here in the notes. Okay, so 49, we just have this on 49, which has our little windows cut out. This is one that we've been using quite a lot lately, classifying that the triangles are congruent. 49, 50. This one here is 50. Number that.
Tomorrow's.
So there's 50.
You did that one, didn't you?
We did one similar. We actually do a whole bunch of these. Anyway, here's 51. 51 is two-column proof checklist. I reference this a lot. Okay, here's also 51. This is the two-column proofs that we did.
Oh,
And this one right here. So I have another blank copy underneath it, but all right. So we had 51. Okay, this is 54 or 52. I'm sorry, 52. Okay, right here has all the statements here. You had to give the reasons, and then there's a backside to 52 also. There's a reason why I gave you a whole bunch of these proofs like this is because they are going to come up on the test. Not so much on this test right here, but on the AZ merit test it comes up a lot. There's 52, okay, 53. We did all this proof right here. So there's nothing underneath that. 54 has two sides. Homework properties of parallelograms. That's the title of this one right here. So this was our practice on 54. 55. Here's 55. We have all this. So under this, we have this right here. Okay, seeing if it is going to be a quadrilateral. What type of quadrilateral? And we have this thing underneath. This is all 55 right here. '56. There's 56 right here. Using special properties, using properties special quadrilaterals. Okay. Here is 57. So trapezoid kites. Okay, then we have some problems to go with those right here underneath. '58 is this thing right here. So if you notice, it's only one-sided. You only had to do that one. You had to give the reasons and statement for the missing. 59. Here's 59. So we have all this filled out. We have another page underneath it, which we actually have this much information. This was a very easy one on top. And right here. So there was nothing underneath that one. 60 is here. Okay, there is no backside. Oh, there is. This one does have a backside too. This has a question 4 and 5 on the backside. So on page 60, you have some here. Okay, there was a lot of given here for this one. And 61, right here, 61. See, all that was given to you. We had a word bank for that. And there is a backside to it also. Those people copying down the notes.
How did I remember half of this stuff?
You don't. Sorry. Oh, thank you. Alright, for those people at home trying to play along with the home version of the game, go ahead. Alright, so this is the backside of 61. Ah. Problem is my coffee is empty. That's why I keep swallowing. Keeps telling me I need more. Alright, and guess what? There. We're done with that part. Okay? We're going up to 61 right now. That's all we go. Okay? Now, So, any problems, make sure you go back, look at the video. I tried to leave it on it for a couple seconds, pause the video, copy down whatever you need to, because all the notes are there, everything is there filled out. But I would highly recommend, if you do not remember what we're doing and you're playing with your phone right now, yes, I see you with your earbuds in too. Come on now. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, that guy over there too. Yes, I can see earbuds in the ear. Yes, you got the wrong one in. You got the one on this side. I could actually see it.
But I'm not, I think it was.
Uh-huh, yeah.
On my phone though.
Oh, okay. So, pause it, go back, but I highly recommend going and watch the video, because I explain it in the video. This is just those people to stop coming and stealing my notebook and messing it up. Okay? Alright, there we go. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yay!